Welcome to the Hero series, the first illustrated system that teaches you how to build your face, your frame, and your diet, all in one fun, interactive way. Everything inside is fully illustrated by the yellow hero himself. No boring text, no bro science, no guesswork. Just pure transformation. Every page inside is built to teach visually, not bore you with text. You'll see the muscles, the moves, and the form, all drawn in my style so you actually get it. And it's not just illustrated, it's interactive too. You can click on any chapter and jump straight to it. No endless scrolling or getting lost. Every chapter gives you real, ready-to-follow plans you can start applying today. When you see a workout, you can click it to watch the real demo video. And we even added a part where you'll learn how to use AI to personalize everything for your own body, every single day. I'm not just going to tell you it's good. I'll show you what's inside. Every page was made to teach you the right way, with visuals, logic, and a little bit of hero energy. Let's start with the hero face. Your guide to sculpt, train, and polish your face like a hero. In Chapter 1, Sculpt the Structure, we fix puffiness, reduce fat layers, and reconnect you to your bone structure with the 7-day face reveal plan. Then, Chapter 2, Train the Face gives you that sharp jawline, hunter eyes, and hero posture, because your face is a muscle too. And in Chapter 3, Polish the Surface, we handle skin, lifestyle, and expressions to finish the look. It's everything about looking sharp, confident, and structured. Next, the hero frame. This book teaches you how to build your entire body with logic, not luck. We start with knowledge, understanding the masculine frame, muscle groups, training systems, and exercise alternatives. Then we move to Chapter 2, Apply the Plan, where you get ready to follow workout programs for 3, 4, 5, and 6 days a week. Every exercise is fully illustrated and linked with real video demos. It's like having your own trainer inside a comic book. And finally, master your gains. Learn how to use AI to personalize your plan and get smarter, faster results. Next, the hero diet. This book teaches you how to eat like a hero without the confusion. Chapter 1 breaks down carbs, proteins, fats, and supplements, all in simple, funny illustrations you'll actually remember. Chapter 2 shows you how to calculate your calories, understand your body's needs, design your own plan, and even use AI to generate meal ideas. And in Chapter 3, Ready to Follow Plans, you get real nutrition plans from 1,500 to 3,500 calories, plus power and bulking drinks to match your goal. Just pick your target, follow the plan, and eat like a legend. Together, these books form the complete hero system. 3 pillars, 1 transformation. The hero face sharpens how the world sees you. The hero frame builds the power they feel from you. And the hero diet fuels it all. This isn't just knowledge, it's the blueprint to rebuild yourself. This is your moment to become the hero version of you. Right now, you can get the entire Hero series, 3 books for the price of 1. It's a limited time offer, and yeah, it costs less than your next gym session. Start today and build the hero version of you.